Come on, 1, 2. Hey stop 참무책임해 왜 자꾸 들었다 놨다 해 헷갈리게.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bambi here again, and if this is your first time seeing me, please don't make it your last. Share, subscribe, click on the bell to get notified when I post a new video, and please stay. And if you are an old subscriber of mine, welcome. So today I have a surprise for you. It was a surprise for myself earlier, but now it's for you now. So you get? So I'm here to do a Louis Vuitton haul. Yay! I know it's my first time getting items from Louis, and I decided to show you guys what I got. And yeah, I've been a Louis Vuitton fan for so long, but thanks to Octavia, I've been watching her channel for so long. She has this sophisticated, clean aesthetics, and I am drawn to her when it comes to things like that. And I decided to get some few purses for myself. It's an early birthday present for me, so let's do the unboxing. So right behind me you can see it, Louis Vuitton. I know, I am so excited to have this right in front of me. It's been a dream of mine to have items from Louis. I know, a girl's dream must come true, right? Mine is coming true. So this year has been great. It has been successful, stressful, painful, heartbreaking, from my dad's death to me graduating from school, yet to go through my graduation. You have a video of that here on my channel, but so far so good. This year hasn't been bad. Even though it's been bad, it hasn't been that bad. So I got some few items from Louis. So first of all, from Louis Vuitton, I got this big box, and it's the Alma BB bag. Thanks to Octavia, I fell in love with that bag through her channel. She has one, and I wanted to get one for myself so badly. I think it's a cute bag and it goes with everything. So I think that is the right choice for me. So I got an Alma BB, and it comes in this big box. It's a replica, but the real thing is the real thing. Nothing can change that, you know. So the Alma BB is a cute bag with everything compact and neat. I chose the brown leather because I want like a clean look, a clean surface to the bag, and I don't want to stain the leather. So the brown leather is key for me because I use a lot of hand creams and I don't want to transfer that on the bag. This is how it looks in hand. The quality is crazy. A replica is a replica, but the real deal is a real deal. So this is how the leather is. I chose the brown leather because I don't want to stain it. This is my baby now, so I'm going to cherish it with my heart. And it has the keys for the padlock. Let me show you guys that. I hope this thing is focusing. So these are the keys for the padlock, and trust me, I have it packed. I put some things in, and this is it packed. So this is my baby now. I got, and I am so happy with this purchase. The next item I got from Louis Vuitton is a coin purse. I wanted the mini pochette, but I couldn't get it, so I got this one, and it's the Zippy coin purse, and it's also convenient. It has everything working for it. It's compact, and I love that I purchased. This is how it looks like, and I don't want to put any card in because I don't want to show you guys like details to and numbers to my cards, but I'll soon fill it up. It's a coin purse, and well, this is also a baby of mine. Moving on, the last thing I got from Louis Vuitton is a ribbon, which I plan to make as a headband of mine. It comes with two sides, the LV monochrome side and then the other side. And I plan to tie this on my, so I plan to put this on my head just like this when I'm wearing something else. So that is one use of this ribbon, and the other is wrapping it around the handle of the bag. So with the Alma BB, I plan to wrap it around the bag to make it a cute ribbon handle for the bag. They also like this for the bag. So we are at the end of the video. Thanks so much for watching, and please share, subscribe to my channel. It would be so grateful. I'll be reviewing more items on my channel, so if you want to see more of this, don't forget to subscribe and please share the video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another video.
오해하게 하지 말아요. 난